we don't come again for this our entertainment news. I beg, now never subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make una do subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell where you dey receive ogbonge and confirm updates from us. So no allow person tell you go know you dey hear all information by yourself. So my people, today I want to talk about this Nollywood actress, our popular Nollywood actress, whether they call Iniedo, with one of the interview where he do with one guy where they call Chide. He talk many things for this interview. He talk say he regrets marrying the past because he just feels say it was not the right time, and say the timing and everything was just wrong and the person was not the right person for her. She talk say after she don't come out for that marriage, she never remarry again, but she is ready to give marriage a chance if the right person come along. She say she don't get pikin, no, say she not look and say as she never marry she no go born, no, say because she always wanted to have a baby, but e no dey work. Say don't try many ways, she don't spend money, but e no dey work. So she just got do surrogacy since her egg was still very valid and still dey fertile. Now she say go do surrogacy. You know, she has split many things. She shall open up, talk many things for this her interview where she do. I go like una to watch the video, make you hear wetin she got talk. Make una watch this video.
I chose a surrogate because I mean I had a couple of miscarriages, you know, and I just got tired of trying and I didn't want to try. I don't have a husband, so I'm like, I want a child for myself, whether I have a husband or not. So what other option could I have? And I wanted it to be my child, my egg. So thankfully, my eggs are good.
Yeah.
So I did that.
You know, she tells me the moment when she first was hit by a scandal and she was in traffic at Antony Village and seeing all these magazines with negative stories.
I was cruising in my Murano, just driving. I was living in Antony Village then. I was just, you know, that junction where they have the newspaper stand?
Yes.
Almost all the magazines that had come out that week had my picture on it, on the front cover, with different captions. And I remember just blanking out for a bit. I couldn't go forward, I couldn't come back. The cars behind me were just honking. I was in shock.
Yeah.
So for a few minutes, I didn't know what to do, how to move the car, what to touch. My hands were literally shaking. I had tears like my eyes, so I had to just pull out of the road and just, that's how bad it was.
Yeah. How, you know, pressure from family made her marry and that she regrets it. Did you regret the decision the first time? And would you do it again?
To get married?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
You regretted it?
Yeah.
Right. Why did you regret it?
Because it just wasn't the right move to make.
Right, yeah. So would you do it again?
If the right person comes.
So again, you would do it at your own time if it...
At my own time, if the right person comes. But if it doesn't come, I'm good.
There is nothing sexier. She is in her own body fully.
It's one thing about me, I'm not desperate for nothing. I don't know how to be desperate over anything. I just believe that things will work out fine. Everything will come together. Things are coming together, but I also know that I still don't feel that fulfillment that I'll have all that I need now.
Yeah. And it's such a delight to interview a woman who knows herself and doesn't care what anybody thinks about it. The Queen joins.
My people, I hope you don't watch the video. Now this one she talk for a recent interview. Anyway, my people, don't forget to like and share our video and don't forget to comment. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe. Una do.
Fire when the strong, it's you.
That's it, friend?